a struggle that cannot be forgotten. From ancient times to the present, its history is still etched in our hearts. The origin of the Karawang struggle, the sacrifice of blood and sacrifice. A thank you to the heroes who sacrificed everything for the nation. The tree that declared its loyalty for independence and justice. Karawang is a noble land until now. It's the park you know. The heroes who have passed away, their struggle will not be lost. We still remember their services. All the people of Karawang are proud. The origin of the Karawang struggle, the sacrifice of blood and sacrifice. Thank you to the heroes who sacrificed everything for the nation. Karawang, the noble land, we will protect it, honoring the never-ending struggle.